All right, boys, as usual, let's make this super quick. All right, so starting off with gold, we've seen a massive rally over the past couple weeks, and we want to continue basically with that going into this week. But at the start of the week, we are seeing a minor pullback back to these consolidation areas here. We would like to see little bits of sweeps below these lows right here, and maybe move all the way back down to this blue area and see a bounce off of that. We'll be looking for a reversal on that blue area in order to get back into a long. We can see that there's continuation onto the downside over the past couple days with this nice sweeping action above this Asia range, retesting the previous day's supply zone, and then continuation back down. I expect for the next day we're going to be headed back down to this blue zone, and then we'll look for a long. A similar idea coming into the Euro USD, since that is also a USD secondary pair. It does somewhat follow a similar pattern. We're seeing sweepings above these highs, a double top previously, and this yellow range is something of interest on the higher time frame, the weekly levels. We can see that there is actually something of importance here, and we've just swept nicely above that, and we're coming straight back down. This could be a local top for us, and we're just going to continue back down this range, and we're going to keep following down these shorts all the way back down to important levels down here. UCAD, we are looking at a beautiful bounce here that I have drawn this out on a stream once before. If you guys are missing those streams, make sure you jump in on them and you'll see much more detailed views of the market analysis. And we have just bounced off of that below these lows, and we are rallying back up. It does show quite strong momentum here. Let's jump on to the daily. You can see that it's completely eating up this downward move, just barely touching that area, and then it's coming back down here. I would expect to come back up and see new highs, change the trend, and possibly close above here, and then we'll continue back up and retest this zone here. GBPUSD, we were expecting these lows to be made here on the lower time frame. We saw multiple tests of that low. We saw obviously there's going to be a nice little sweep hunt here. So we are looking for a possible quick reversal off of this range coming into tomorrow. This is Tuesday. If it doesn't, we're going to continue back down, and we are looking at these untested demand zone. We're looking at the higher time frame up top here. You can see what that kind of looks like. We are looking for the long term to actually be headed down even lower. We're seeing liquidity zones down here, but it is possible that we see a rally going into the early parts of this week. But we're thinking later parts of this week, this trend is going to continue. We've been talking about this continuing down for a number of weeks now, and we are looking for very low lows all the way down here over the next month. All right, guys, that was a super quick video. I hope you liked it. Hope it was a little bit useful. Make sure you jump into the streams if you want more detailed information about the strategy and the analysis that I do talk about each week there. It's on the London close each and every day, except for the days I miss, of course. I don't know. If you guys do want to join a community, link in the description. You can ask Discord some questions. You can ask people some questions. And if you are looking for signals, there's also one for that.